Welcome to our review of the Dell Latitude 3590 CN7RN notebook. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at this laptop's features, performance, and overall value for those seeking a reliable workhorse for everyday computing tasks. Let's start with the specifications. Powered by an Intel Core i5-8250U processor, this laptop offers a balance of performance and energy efficiency, suitable for multitasking and productivity applications. With 8GB of RAM, it provides enough memory for smooth operation even with several applications running simultaneously. The 15.6-inch LCD screen offers a decent viewing experience, although it might not be the most vibrant or color-accurate display out there. However, for general use and productivity tasks, it gets the job done. In terms of storage, the 500GB hard drive provides ample space for storing your files, although users who deal with large multimedia files might find it a bit limiting and might want to consider external storage options. Connectivity options are plentiful with built-in Gigabit Ethernet, 802.11 AC Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth technology. Whether you need to connect to a wired network or prefer wireless connectivity, this laptop has you covered. One standout feature of the Latitude 3590 is its security measures. With TPM 2.0 TCG certification and FIPS 140-2 certification, along with hardware-based cryptography, you can rest assured that your data is well protected, making it suitable for business use or handling sensitive information. In terms of design, the Latitude 3590 sports a sleek and professional look, typical of Dell's Latitude series. It's not the most lightweight laptop out there, but it's still portable enough to carry around for work or travel. Overall, the Dell Latitude 3590 CN7RN notebook offers a solid combination of performance, security, and connectivity for users looking for a reliable workhorse laptop. While it may not have the most cutting-edge features or the highest resolution display, it excels in providing a dependable computing experience for everyday tasks. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.